Let's take a look at what exactly is a table. A table allows you to represent data with more than one dimension. It has rows and columns, and the intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Your information or the data will actually be in a particular cell. So, what do I mean by represents data in more than one dimension? So let's say if you wanted to compare two mobile phones based on different criterias, this would be a perfect use case for a table. Because on the x-axis you will have your mobile phones that you want to compare, in this case two different mobile phones, and on the y-axis you will have the different criteria you want to compare it with. And each cell in this table will give you very specific information for a particular mobile phone on a particular category. And this allows you to compare both of them in a very easy and very comprehensible way. Now, if you had to represent the same data in a paragraph format, it would be very difficult for readers, for users to read through the information and then compare it themselves. But putting it in a table allows you to have that side by side comparison done very easily. Now, tables usually is recommended to use for only representing data and should not be used as a layout aids. And the reason for that is because screen readers and other tools find it very difficult to read information or to comprehend information from a table. And if you do use a table for a layout, you should consider adding an attribute called role is equal to presentation. This allows the screen readers and other accessibility tools to detect that this table is used for a layout purpose only and then read the information accordingly. Now, tables is used in a lot of places, and here are some examples, screenshots from actual places, actual pages on the internet where you might find a table. The first table, as you can see, is a screenshot from Wikipedia, and as you can see, again, information that it would be very difficult to compare or read if it was in a paragraph format is now very easy to read when it is in a table format. So you have for each years, you have structured information that I can read. So for 2020, I can see the number of viewers in millions, the prices and the adjusted prices, and I can see that for every year in a very easy to read format. And similarly for other examples as well, you have your names, popular names along with their ranks, and you have weather information, so you have central tide information in various cities. And of course we have the example of you comparing two different mobile phones based on different categories. So as you can see, tables are used in various different formats, and you would have definitely come across table in the past.